Hello Dnation and welcome back to a Diecast Motorcycle Unbox and Review episode. In today's episode, we're going to be reviewing the Suzuki GSX R600, which is a licensed 118 scale diecast motorcycle manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, what we're looking at today is a 118 scale licensed diecast replica of the Suzuki GSX R600, which is manufactured by Maisto. And at first glance, this diecast motorcycle looks quite premium and has a good build quality and quite a bit of detailing to it as well. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking. This model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3.8 inches in height, 2 inches in width and weighs in at about 110 grams. This model also comes with trademark paint apps with standard branding details and also has free rolling wheels, a kickstand, excellent suspension and a lot more intricate details, which makes it a premium collectible which is functional as well. And I'm glad I made a choice to get this variation, as I'll be able to add it to my ever-growing 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. And with this model, you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And so with that being said, now let's take a closer look at the exteriors of this motorcycle. And with that out of the way, now let's place this diecast beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this amazing diecast motorcycle replica in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium diecast motorcycle. And so with that being said, let's place this diecast model on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Suzuki Motor Corporation is a Japanese multinational corporation headquartered in Minami-ku, Hamamatsu. The Suzuki GSX R600 is a 600cc class or supersport sports bike in Suzuki's GSX R series of motorcycles. Suzuki manufactures automobiles, four-wheel drive vehicles, motorcycles, all-terrain vehicles, outboard marine engines, wheelchairs and a variety of other small internal combustion engines. In 2016, Suzuki was the 11th biggest automaker by production worldwide. Suzuki has over 45,000 employees and has 35 production facilities in 23 countries and 133 distributors in 192 countries. The worldwide sales volume of automobiles is the world's 10th largest, while the domestic sales volume is the third largest in the country. Suzuki's domestic motorcycle sales volume is the third largest in Japan. And for further information on Suzuki motorcycles, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested, and also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this amazing diecast motorcycle. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And please do check out the rest of the 118 scale diecast motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it. And if this is your first time here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.